I'm Ben Brown for the ABC 15 political team. The Trump administration moving to end funding for HIV vaccine research, while local organizations here sound the alarm as grant funding for their HIV prevention stopped last week.
I lived through the 90s. I remember what that was like. And it feels like we're trying to head right back into the 90s again.
The Trump administration canceled funding for HIV vaccine research, notifying the two leaders of the $258 million program on Friday, according to the New York Times.
HIV is on the rise in a lot of cities and in Maricopa County. And so when you cut funding for vaccines, when you cut funding for research, it puts a halt on everything that's happening. You have to go back and recreate.
Jessyca Leach, CEO of Prisma Community Care, a nonprofit that provides a range of health and wellness treatments, including HIV testing and treatment, said while there are methods to combat HIV, you have to have multiple options.
It's very much like saying, look, we build affordable housing, one unit, we're done. You have to have multiple outlets. When we stop researching, we know that people die.
Leach said earlier this year they had their federal funding completely frozen, but were able to get it reinstated. However, Ripple PHX, another nonprofit that provides a mobile service for HIV testing and prevention, just received a stop work order from the Arizona Department of Health Services for its HIV prevention and surveillance grant.
It's not just kind of our funding, it is literally HIV prevention method or prevention funding in Maricopa County, in Arizona, and in the US. So what does that mean? That means less testing perhaps for folks, less hours of availability, less staffing.
Jason Jones, co-executive director of Ripple PHX, said this could have a devastating impact on the fight against HIV.
We are literally going backwards instead of moving forwards.
According to the Times, the National Institutes of Health is shifting its focus to using currently available approaches to eliminate HIV and AIDS. Ben Brown, ABC 15, Arizona.